Hey everybody, welcome to the Chainsaw channel. My name's Aaron. I got a great video for you. I just wanted to say, I want to invite you to subscribe to this channel. If you don't want to, you don't have to by all means. But I would also encourage you to leave a like on this video because that would help me greatly and I would very much appreciate it. So thanks for tuning in and enjoy the video. Today we are going to take this chainsaw bar off. We're going to sand it, we're going to clean it, and then we're going to paint it. We'll go through the process on how to do it. Alright, so let's get into this. We're going to take off the chainsaw bar first and the chain. Just a little oily. It's a good thing. Set this aside. Alright, so we're going to take a palm sander and we're just going to start off by sanding both sides. Now you want to be careful of these, you don't want to do too much sanding on those, so maybe I'll put a piece of tape around there. So as you can see, this bar has a lot, it was gray, and I think the Husqvarna logo was actually in there as well. But as you can see, there's a lot of like gray chipped paint and everything on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a 60 grit and we're going to do a couple passes until we get the majority of the gray off there, and then we're going to go up to 220 grit. The 60 is a lot more coarse and grittier than the 220. The 220 is finer and nicer, so it'll give a smooth finish on this bar. And then we can take some rubbing alcohol or any other cleaning agent you want to just wipe any grease, any dust, any paint off there, wipe it down nice, and then we will move on to the painting. So let's do this. We're going to move on to our 220, our finer grit. Get that placed on there nice and evenly. Alright, let's get at her. So clearly, as you can tell, this bar, it's looking a lot nicer. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some hydrogen peroxide. This is all I have, that's why I'm using it, but you could use something stronger like rubbing alcohol, 99% or whatever. However that works. So we're just going to put a little bit on this cloth here. Put a little bit on here. Where did that go? Right there. Just gotta clean it off. Alright, so we'll take a dry cloth, a clean dry cloth, and we'll just wipe this bad boy down nicely. And we are going to take our paint. Alright, so we've given our paint a good shake, and now we're going to spray it on there. You want to keep it a good 1.5 feet away and just do short bursts. You don't want to sit there right close and spray it on. You'll make it drip and it'll look bad. That looks pretty good. So we're going to set this aside, let it dry, and we'll come back when it's done. Alright, so we've given this about an hour to dry, and it looks pretty good. I didn't bother painting right here because you won't even see it anyway. Side cover's put on top of it, so I'm just going to do a clear coat on it for a clear coat, you can just do the same process as painting. Just 1.5 foot away, spray, nice even coat, let it dry, and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and tune in for another great video.